What's up, people? Welcome to episode 3 of Let's Make RC Cars. You know what you're all about. And today there's a mission, a couple of things I need to show you. My name is Collins Gituma. Welcome to my channel. I have another channel, and on top of that, I love RC cars. I wanted to show you guys about this iridescent paint. If you want to achieve this type of bodywork, you have to use PS-46. Is what gives you the green, the purple, and also you can be able to mix it up, or if you want a different type of color, so you can be able to have the iridescent pink and gold, then you have the iridescent purple and green. So this is a mix of two colors, but this is a lame flake. So what this gives is a shimmer. On this, we already have the TT-02 chassis on it. Magnetic clips for the body. Clean, hasn't been driven. Need to just put a battery and then it will be good to run. But that one will remain like that because it's one of those, another dust collector. Initially, I had this body, so I need to build another TT-02 for that body. Oh, this I love also. So this is another body that I built before. So you know, we body it. That's how we go. Body after body after body. Let the body hit the floor. So the first step that we're going to do is finish with our light mission. Best way to do it is first to test the lights to make sure that they work. And then once we test the lights and they are working, we can move on to the next. Okay, cool. This I don't want. So I just go the simpler way and work with this. So in order for you to put your lights, for them to work properly, you will need extensions. So they come with a split. There we have a whole complete system. This goes to the back. Happy with that. And then this goes to the front. You need a clip cutter like this. So cutter, you cut it, you take it. Let's take this shit out. And once you have everything, put it in there. That holds the backlight, gives it that fire look. And these don't fit, but you don't have to panic. You can we use this to open, like to make holes in your RC car, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to use the same one. It's the tools that count, you know, till the point where it can be able to fit. Almost there. Because it has blades on the side, and these blades scrape it to a point where it takes off this like equal circle. Just make sure that the eyes are dotted. Ooh! Ooh, looking good! Sweet! Beauty, 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 beauty. Now, we need to work on the front. So I've been able to work on the lights. Ready. Let's see. Ooh, sweet Jesus. And the backlights. Come on, lads. Look at that. Get in there. Eesh. Awesome stuff. Look like fire. Very cool. And the back. Damn, son. Damn. Awesome stuff. Okay, cool. I've been able to put the lights on this one. So I'm just going to connect it to the servo. Just take off the fingerprint. Oh man, that looks awesome. So just now clean up the space and then put the tools away. Then do a slight photo shoot. And then it will be, let there be light. So one more light to go. Okay. So if I tuck in everything, that's how it's going to look like. very nice with the lights. Well, my people, that's it. I'm done. Oh, that was a lot of work. But it's the little things. When you're really taking care of the little things, then it takes time, but it's worth that. So the next step is going to be tucking in everything inside. The reason I prefer to use a glue gun for most of the projects is because you can easily take it out, especially if you're constantly changing parts. Then you have the ability to take it out. It's not permanent, like the projects themselves are not permanent, so you can always play around with it and put things where you feel like you want to put them. But now if you glue it like with super glue, then time for changing it, you have to really take out everything. Like this, the wheels sit actually very nicely. So looking at it from there, now we need to put the magnets. So my trick, coming back to the glue gun situation, I'm going to put just a bit of glue gun there. So, and then I'm going to drop the body exactly where I want it. Because I've already checked it out. I know it will sit somewhere there. This is center point. Yeah, exactly. When I flip the body, I have the 2 points where I want to put the magnets, so here and there. Look at the gap space on the wheel. That's so crazy. Can you see the space? Wow. Fire! Look at that, that's the space here. Everything is set, able to sort out what's everything inside. I'm working on the magnets. I have the magnets on top, and then now I want to do the front magnets. So I need to get one more like this. Longer screw. I can use a shorter one. Look at it, it looks perfect. Okay, now it's sitting high because I put double, right? But if I take it out and I take one out, I have it on, look at that, I have it there, which is fine. Well, I'm finished with the GTR. Took a long time. It was such a mission, but a good mission. Really enjoyed the whole process, and I'm looking forward to the next build, the next episode. But the advantage of this was that I'd already built another body like that, but I never had the lights and everything in it. So I thought, why don't I just go full and add the proper rims, the lights. I also have the exhaust here at the back. Every weekend I'll be dropping an episode, and we're trying to make 200 episodes. So now this is episode 3. We have 197 to go. So watch out for that. Well, remember to hit the like, remember to subscribe. Let's make RC cars and see the process, because it might inspire you to make one or build an actual car or follow and pursue your hobby. What are you into? What's your hobby? See you on the next episode.